This is 2018 asked, right? Second question. This is 2018 asked. Before going to attempt that question, right? यहाँ पर हमारे को require होता बेटा थोड़े points. So first of all, you have to be focused. See here, 4 sigma bonds. 4 sigma bonds. 4 sigma bonds. Make a note, important beta. This is very important. ध्यान देना इस पे. 4 sigma bonds. 4 sigma bonds that belongs to what? sp3 hybridization. What? sp3 hybridization. Is it clear? Right? Now observe careful beta. अगर 3 sigma bonds रहता बेटा जी, 3 sigma bonds that belongs to what? sp2. 3 sigma bonds that belongs to sp2. If 2 sigma bonds that belongs to sp, my dear. I hope you clear everyone, right? See, once again समझने का कोशिश करना बेटा. अगर 4 sigma bonds रहे तो what is hybridization? sp3. Sigma bond का मतलब बेटा single bond, right? 4 single bonds आपस में. So that is the reason that is belongs to what? What? sp3. If 3 sigma bonds that belongs to sp2. If 2 sigma bonds that belongs to what? sp hybridization. Now here, observe careful. The first option. Just now I said, see, this is sigma bond. This is what? Sigma bond. In triple bond, one is sigma bond. This is one pi bond. This is pi bond बेटा. अरे बेटा जी ध्यान देना, इन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड पे 2 पाई बॉन्ड होंगे बेटा, होंगे, राइट? एक सिग्मा बॉन्ड होगा बेटा. बेटा जी यहाँ पर ध्यान देना, पाई बॉन्ड से लेना देना कुछ भी नहीं है बेटा जी, कुछ भी नहीं है, राइट? वो ध्यान में रखना, राइट? पाई बॉन्ड्स not to play any role in hybridization, right? So that is very right. Chalo. See beta ji, sorry for interruption again and again, right? Chalo. See, this is single bond, right? Sigma bond. This is single bond, sigma bond, right? In triple bond, one is sigma, one is pi. So my dears, humble request. Here, observe careful. This is belongs to what? sp hybridization. Why? Because only 2 sigma bonds. This carbon belongs to only 2 sigma bonds, right? So that is the reason. That is sp hybridization, right? See sir, this is also, this carbon also, see, observe careful sir, this carbon also belongs to what? 2 sigma bonds. So that is the reason sp hybridization. So similarly, here also this carbon belongs to what? 2 sigma bonds. So my dears, this is sp, right? This carbon belongs to 2 sigma bonds. So that is the reason sp beta ji. See, this sigma bond belongs to this carbon as well as this carbon beta ji. ध्यान देना उस पे, right? So next see next, observe careful. This option, left to right asked beta, represents what? Which of the following molecules represent the order of hybridization sp2, sp2, sp, sp from left to right? Means like this, right? Chalo. See, observe careful beta. This is the right option actually. I will elaborate this structure actually. See, carbon. 4 carbons are there, right? Chalo. Here 2 hydrogens. Nothing I am doing beta. Just I am elaborating the structure. That's it, right? Here double bond there, put double bond. Right here 1 hydrogen there, put here 1 hydrogen. Right here no hydrogens, triple bond. Right here 1 hydrogen. So focus beta. ध्यान देना यहाँ पर. Right? See, this is what? Single bond, sigma bond. In triple bond, 1 is sigma bond, 2 are pi bonds. Clear? This is single bond, sigma bond, right? This is single bond, sigma bond. This is what? 1 sigma bond, 1 pi bond, right? This is sigma bond, this is sigma bond beta ji. I will write once again here, right? All single bonds are all single bonds are sigma bonds. In double bond, one is sigma, one is pi beta j, one is pi, right? In triple bond, one is sigma bond, two are pi bonds. बेटा जी ये ध्यान में रख लेना, right? This is very important, right? At least 4 to 5 times read these important lines, right? This is very important in the box, so be focused, right? Chal. Now, see sir, 1, 2, 3, 3 sigma bonds, 1, 2, 3, 3 sigma bonds means what, sir? sp2 hybridization. Sir, what about here, sir? 1, 2, 3. What is the hybridization, sir? sp2 hybridization, sir. Sir, this carbon, see, sir. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 sigma bonds, beta G, 2 sigma bonds. sp. Sir, this is what, sir? 2 sigma bonds. What is this hybridization? sp, sir. So that is the reason from left to right, sp2, sp2, sp, sp. Right? This is a second option is right option, beta J. Or the option say beta J, but need not. I hope you clear everyone. See once again, small recap for this question. See, like these questions generally appear in our Neet beta. So first of all single bonds are sigma bonds. बात नंबर 1. बात नंबर 2. In double bond, one are pi bond, one are sigma bond. बात नंबर 2. बात नंबर 3 बेटा जी. In triple bond, one is sigma bond, right? 2 are pi bonds. And the very important point, pi bond से बेटा जी लेना देना कुछ भी नहीं है बेटा. It does not affect on hybridization, right? So pi bonds effect नहीं करता बेटा hybridization के लिए, right? Sigma bonds, just you consider sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds, 4 sigma bonds, right? तो बेटा जी sp3. अगर three sigma bonds रहे तो बेटा जी क्या sp2. If 2 sigma bonds are present, that belongs to what? sp. That's all बेटा जी. I hope you clear everyone. Please take down. Okay. चलो. Otherwise take the screenshot. Okay. Second question 2018 का हो गया बेटा. Third question. Options नहीं लिख रहे बेटा जी क्योंकि वक्त it will be takes more time, right? So directly I will explain. See, be focused. So what I asked here? C2 hybridization asked, C3 hybridization asked, C5 hybridization asked, C6 carbon hybridization asked beta. First of all, what? C2. See, observe carefully. Actually, I will elaborate the structure for our convenience to explain, right? Chalo. H, here 1 H, here 1 H beta, CH3 is finished. Next C, CH3, right? Next beta ji, here 1 H, double bond, right? CH, this is H, CH3, C triple bond, CH, right? So first of all, if given like this, you have to elaborate this like this structure. Why? Because it is to identify hybridization is very easy, right? चलो बेटा. So क्या पूछा बेटा यहाँ पर? ये first carbon, ये second carbon, ये third carbon, ये fourth carbon बेटा, ये fifth carbon. This is what? Sixth carbon. This is what? Seventh carbon. right? Now second carbon asked beta. So second carbon, observe careful, second carbon, this is sigma bond, right? Single bond. In triple bond, one is sigma bond, another one is what? Pi bond. Pi bond, right? Two are pi bonds. In triple bond, one is sigma bond, two are pi bonds. In triple bond. See बेटा जी बार बार बोल रहे हैं हम, ध्यान देना इस पे, right? In triple bond, one is sigma bond, two are pi bonds, right? This is single bond, sigma bond. Now see, this second carbon belongs to two sigma bonds. So that is the reason, my dears, this is belongs to sp hybridization. That's it, right? Next see बेटा, क्या पूछा यहाँ पर? थर्ड कार्बन पूछा बेटा. सर थर्ड कार्बन, दिस इज सिंगल बॉन्ड सिग्मा बॉन्ड, दिस इज सिंगल बॉन्ड सिग्मा बॉन्ड, दिस इज single bond sigma bond. All single bonds are sigma bonds. ध्यान देना बेटा, right? एक दो तीन चार, this carbon belongs to four sigma bonds, 1 2 3 4. So that is the reason this is belongs to what? sp3. Now see what asked beta here, fifth carbon asked. So this is what? Fifth carbon. In that fifth carbon, in double bond, one is sigma bond, one is pi bond, this is sigma bond, this is what? Sigma bond. So this carbon belongs to what? How many, right? Sigma bonds, 3 sigma bonds. So that is the reason. क्या होता बेटा जी यहाँ पर? अरे बेटा जी sp2, right? Sir next क्या पूछा बेटा? Fifth carbon. Next sixth carbon पूछा. Next sixth carbon. See this is sigma bond, already sigma bond. This is one sigma bond. This is one sigma bond. So that is the reason. बेटा जी ध्यान देना यहाँ पर, right? ध्यान देना बेटा. ये 4 sigma bond. This carbon belongs to 4 sigma bonds. So that is the reason it belongs to what? sp3. Now here you have to write C2 carbon, sp, right? C3 carbon, where is C3 carbon? Right? sp3, right? C5 carbon, right? sp2, right? Next see beta, sixth carbon, that is sp3. Option check कर लेना बेटा, right? This is our answer beta ji, right? So how to tackle this question? First of all, the small recap. See beta, first of all you have to elaborate the structure. बात नंबर 1, right? बाद में बेटा जी write the sigma bonds, identify the sigma bonds and pi bonds, right? After that you have to go through this question. See, 4 sigma bonds that belongs to sp3. If 2 sigma bonds, that is sp. If 3 sigma bonds, that is sp2. Once again I repeat, see, 4 sigma bonds sp3, 3 sigma bonds sp2, 2 sigma bonds sp. That's all beta ji, that's all, right? So I hope you clear everyone. Please take down. चलो screenshot ले लेना बेटा. Point I will write once again. See, take down, this is 4 sigma bonds. 4 sigma bonds means what? sp3. 3 sigma bonds, that means sp2. 2 sigma bonds, that means sp, right? So this is very important बेटा जी, ध्यान देना इस पे, right? चलो आज का small session, 3 questions, right? Tomorrow onwards I will enhance the questions, right? But बेटा जी ध्यान देना, right? Make the notes, right? And revision is our success to success. रिवीजन करना बेटा जी, कितना रिवीजन करते ना जितना हमारे को याद रहता बेटा जी। ये पर इस बात पे ध्यान देना। ओनली हाउ टू रिमेंबर बेटा, जस्ट रिवीजन 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 रिवीजन। अरे बेटा जी एक बाद में बोलेंगे, चलो। सो दिस इज योर Savish. बेटा जी सब्सक्राइब, शेयर to your friends, please. This is my humble request. If you like this session, please like the button, right? Press the like button, right? This is your Savish. Take care. Bye bye.